This is Tony Calderon here again with you, and I'm going to explain the bottom half of a Bridgeport milling machine. So here we go. This is the table has nothing on it at this point, just to show you, but I had to clean it off to get all kinds of stuff on it. So this is the feed handle right here to move the work right to left. Here, that noise you hear is the power feed gear. I'm not using it, but it's tied into the power feed, and that noise is the power feed gears turning inside there. Okay, and here's the feed handle for the front. This goes front to back. Okay, you see it doing that. And here's the feed handle for the knee. The knee is the whole big thing on the bottom that's tied into the base of the machine. And here it's tied into the machine right here. Here's the knee. There's the machine, and it's sliding on these ways here. There's these ways here. So, and also too, this has the machine has ways here. See that? There's a way there. That's a way, and there's a way right here too. It's all ways and everything. And here you can kind of see the light's not going to be probably good enough, but you can see the silhouette of the screw, the screw that turns as I turn this. You're probably not going to be able to see that. Maybe some dirt on it, you might be able to see that turn. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so that's that. So all these adjustments have these screws there. There's a screw here. There's a screw here, and there's a nut in the screw. And the nut holds it into position, and the screw is inside the nut. It passes through the nut and allows you to have a real nice graduation between turns. Okay, so here's the gib lock for this direction here. If I break them loose, it goes. Easily turns. If I just lock them again, it doesn't want to turn. It doesn't really want to turn. In the olden days, they used to have only one gib lock on the machine. Now they put two. That's like 30 years ago, the olden days. Okay, now here's the gib lock for front to back right here. Okay, I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to gib lock it, and it doesn't want to turn. It's locked pretty good. It's a pretty good locking mechanism, you know, for positioning. And that's using for position. Once you get to your position a hole, if it's a big hole and you're doing a rough lot of work to it, you want to lock them up pretty good. If you're doing a real light work, I mean super light work, I really don't like to lock them if you're doing some super light work, small work, because I think it kind of like the table kind of kicks a little bit and it moves. So that's what I like. And here's the power feed unit, and I'm going to try to engage that. See that? That's the power feed unit. That's engaged. And here, we'll speed it up. Hear it run. See that? And you go the other direction. Watch your fingers in there. Don't get your fingers anywhere near there. Anything near there. I don't really like that. It's kind of crazy. I always stay away from that area. So I'm going to go the other direction. There it goes. You see it turning by itself? See that? And stop this, and that's that. So that's this direction right here, left to right, front to back, up and down. And there's a lock for up and down here, and that's right down there, and that locks it pretty good too. But it's kind of weird. There's so much weight on this that I really don't like to use this at all. I just don't like to use it. I'm not crazy about it. I think you lose track of whether it's locked or not, and that would really make a difference whether your head is playing true to the table. And so I just don't lock it. I just don't lock it unless I'm doing something really brutal, something real lot of heavy metal removal. I'll go ahead and use that. But normally I don't like to use that at all. And there's your oiler down there. You give it a shot once a day, gets the oil through the whole machine and everything. And also too, I like to have a light on the work, a little small light that focuses directly on the work. And I think I kind of covered it pretty much so, the machine. And it's a heck of a machine, a Bridgeport milling machine. It's a machine that actually built the world. And there it is. And that's it. I hope this is very helpful to you people out there. Thank you so much.